Good morning, it's Timed Edge. It's Wednesday the 6th of May. I'm just signing into the chat. I don't know why it logs itself out all the time. Do 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 do. Alright, sorry guys, that was sorted. So yeah, we're having a little bit of a continuation of the flat market, aren't we? Yesterday morning we saw price create this weekly cycle. This is the index futures, currency futures. Gave us no entry, pushed up. I was looking around the 50% on the 6 hour after the 6 hour change of state of delivery, right? So the 6 hour closed above. We got this here and we're looking for a micro at 12 and nothing was given. And then we just had this explosion, and now if we see as well that price has just opened up like major expanse. So let's start profiling anyway. Give us an idea of where we are. Let's have a little look at the bonds. Okay, range daily profile on the bonds, nothing, no change of state of delivery. We're inside bar. I hope everyone can hear me properly. Did it? Do. What's going on there? Oh god, our computer's not reacting properly. Anyway, let's go back to this. Okay. Right, range weekly profile. Buy side or sell side of that range has not been taken. Yeah, so we can drop down to the daily, profile this. Looks like we got a range daily bar yesterday as well, but as you can see, all assets are traded above. Why is that behaving like that? I don't know. Something's wrong with my computer. I need to reboot it, I think. Anyway. So we were looking yesterday at this 3 candle model, saying the draw of liquidity was below here. I think we had some news released, and that has pushed the market in a different way. Let me just clear this. I think we're going to get down there. One way we could trade this expansion is if we've got a clear when all assets have traded above. I'm looking for a continuation pattern. Oh. So as you can see, we've got the last 6 hour candles have both expanded. We've had the close above. 6 hour has closed above previous day's high. With that in mind, we should probably look to trade a continuation if we can get some continuation happen. I think this candle probably invalidates the move anyway, so we're probably going to see higher prices. Wednesday is a high probability CRT day. And we'll drop out into the 15, just have a little measure of Asia, but I'm pretty certain. Oh, what happened there? Yeah, I'm pretty certain we've got a massive expanse. I don't know what happened yesterday. There was some news released, and the market just went wild. I think next time, if something happens like this, I think, in all honesty, I think I should take some time off, and just rather than trying to sit and trade through it. I think the wisest move is probably just to go and have a couple of months in the sun somewhere. Yeah, so Just profiling Asia now. It looks like we've expanded a lot. Right. So XAMD on the profile. I'm just going to, it's 7:07 now. I'm just going to highlight 50%. Of the 6 hour range of Asia range. If we are going to continue, the only trade I could do take really would be from the equilibrium of the 6 hour of the Asia. We're already wicked above the 6 hour, so we'd have to come back down. Are we going to get there is probably another story. We need some kind of fuel to fuel the move to go up anyway, so other than that, we need some more liquidity to build, don't we? You know, range daily profile, previous day's high is gone, that liquidity pool. Let's have a little look at previous week's high and low. We could definitely mark them in, but they're a little way off. Just put that in there. It's going to be the next draw of liquidity. Back on the 1 hour. Let's see where we are. Yeah. Okay. So if there is a draw of liquidity up for that high up there, we still got to get up there. I would like to say normally we could fade the move and then draw it into that high if we are going up there. There's going to be some liquidity above Monday high as well. That doesn't give us a trade idea unless we wait for New York reversal. Okay, so we let London play out, Asia expands, London accumulates, then we get the manipulation in New York. We'll probably see a reversal, right? So it's a bit of a shit morning. We had this. Yeah, yesterday we were a little bit unfortunate on two occasions there, right at the start of the day and around 12 o'clock. Sorry, my phone's just going mental this morning. So yeah, if we could expect accumulation and then we'll see a manipulation in. Let's just set an alert for up here. It looks pretty flat today. To be honest, I'm sorry the streams are not more exciting at the moment, but the market is just, yeah, it's proving to be a little bit difficult. But they will change. The regime will shift, right? It's not going to stay like this forever. Because the higher time frame stuff works. It's just the execution's just not with us at the moment. Right, I think I'm gonna just call it for the moment. I'm gonna come back at 8 o'clock. We can't really do a lot until 8 anyway, because that's what time the index market opens. So I'll start 10 to 8. I'll be back on.